this is a trial that we were undertaking this year over summer, mainly to try and keep our soil biology alive. So we had a range of cowpeas, millet, sorghum. Unfortunately, the bugs got a hold of the sorghum pretty well, but the cowpeas went okay. And yeah, we dug a bit of a soil pit here. Just mainly to show you how deep the roots are going into a sandy, sort of mainly sand over a gravelly loam, so to speak. And we're finding the roots at depth are still quite strong. A lot of furriness attaching to the rocks and the gravel. Obviously, that's about 350 mil at the moment. Obviously it could be a lot deeper. And we're also finding there's a lot less weeds in here. A lot of mintweed, paddy melons, yeah, a lot of other rubbish in there, and yeah, the allopathic effect of the cowpeas has got it quite clean. And it's also, we're finding nodules, so it's nodulating at the same time and keeping our biology alive.
So Noel, what would the cost be to spray out where I'm coming across with the video now? How much would that cost to spray out?
I had a guess with just a basic Roundup ester brew plus the cost of spraying, it would be 18-20 bucks.
A bit of Garland.
A bit of Garland for the melons.
Yeah.
Yeah, and these are quite clean. There'd be no worries about having to spray these, I don't think.
Yeah.
And also that had an insecticide, whereas this you wouldn't have to worry, I don't think.
Right. So what's really great about this trial, Noel, is that the ability to keep that biology alive during these hot months, which we've had actually under the microscope, and we now know that we did get across colonisation from the hay crop, which was Brood of Wonder, that you knocked out preceding. So we've actually, even with the millet and the cowpeas, we've actually got the colonisation, which is fantastic for you.
And these are, I didn't really do my research for a sowed them. I sowed them at 40 kilos on 9-inch spacings, and I've since found out it should be on probably 30, 40 centimetre spacings, even up to a metre, and sowed about 10 to 15 kilos. So next year we'll try it again and see and get the vines. We're finding the vines, the melons aren't growing within about a metre of the last row, so that shows how far the root system is travelling. So I think we could safely sow up to a metre wide spacings.
And would you do this again?
I think we will.